Hello, uncle. How much is this chocolate?
200 rupees per piece.
Can you give me a discount?
Sure, I can give you a discount of 10 rupees. So it will be 190 rupees per piece.
Okay, I will take 2 pieces.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Hello, auntie. How much are these bananas?
50 rupees per dozen.
Can you give me a discount?
Sure, I can give you a discount of 10 rupees. So it will be 40 rupees per dozen.
Okay, I will take 2 dozen.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Hello, sir. Where can I find the slippers?
Take your next left and his booth should be there.
Okay, thanks. Hello, sir. How much are these slippers?
100 rupees per pair.
Can you give me a discount?
Sure, I can give you a discount of 20 rupees. So it will be 80 rupees per pair.
Okay, I will take one pair.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. That's all I need. How much do I owe you?
It comes to 670 rupees.
Here you go.
Thank you, come again.
You are welcome. So, what are you up to these days?
I am looking for a job. I just graduated from college with a degree in computer science.
That's great. I am sure you will find a job soon. The IT industry is booming right now.
I hope so. I have been applying for jobs online, but I haven't had much luck so far.
Have you tried networking? Talk to your friends and family and see if they know of any openings.
I have, but no one seems to be hiring right now.
Don't give up. Keep applying for jobs and eventually you will find the right one.
Thanks for the encouragement. I will keep trying.
What are you studying in college?
I am studying to be a doctor.
That's amazing. I have always wanted to be a doctor, but I am not smart enough.
You are smart enough. You just need to work hard.
I don't know if I can handle the pressure of being a doctor.
It is not easy, but it is very rewarding. I am sure you would be a great doctor.
Thanks for the vote of confidence. I will think about it. I am so glad that I went to college. It has opened up so many opportunities for me.
I know, right? I am so glad that I listened to my parents and got a good education.
Education is the key to success. It gives you the knowledge and skills you need to get a good job and live a better life.
I agree. Education also helps you to become a better citizen. It teaches you about your rights and responsibilities, and it helps you to understand the world around you.
Education is also important for personal development. It helps you to learn new things, to think critically, and to solve problems.
I think everyone should have the opportunity to get a good education, regardless of their backgrounds. Education is the great equalizer. It gives everyone a chance to succeed.
I couldn't agree more. Education is the best investment you can make in yourself. Wow, there are so many things here.
I know, right? It's like a treasure trove.
What are you looking for?
I am not sure yet. I am just browsing.
I am looking for some vegetables.
There is a vegetable vendor over there.
Thanks.
Friend 1 goes to the vegetable vendor.
Hello, uncle. I need some vegetables.
Sure. What kind of vegetables do you need?
I need some tomatoes, onions, and potatoes.
How many of each?
I need 2 kilograms of tomatoes, 1 kilograms of onions, and 1 kilograms of potatoes.
Okay, that will be 500 rupees.
Here you go.
Friend 1 pays the vendor. Thank you. Come again. Friend 1 goes back to his friend.
I got the vegetables.
Great. What else do you want to buy?
I am not sure yet. Let's just walk around and see what else we can find.
The friends continue to walk around the market. They see a variety of stalls selling different goods, including fruits, vegetables, clothes, and householding items. They also see a number of people haggling with the vendors over price.
This is so much fun.
I know, right? I love coming to the market. The friends continue to walk around and explore the market. They eventually decide to buy some fruits and snacks before heading home.
Hey, what's your favorite subject?
English. I love reading and writing.
English is my favorite subject too. I love learning about new cultures and literature.
Me too. I also like how English can be used to express yourself in so many different ways.
Exactly. It's such a versatile language.
What's your second favorite subject?
History. I love learning about the past and how it shaped the present.
History is interesting too. I like learning about wars and revolutions.
Me too. I also like learning about the lives of ordinary people.
I think it's important to learn about all aspects of history, from the big events to the small ones.
I agree. History is a complex and fascinating subject.
What's your least favorite subject?
Math. I am just not a numbers person,
I hear you. Math can be tough.
but it's important to learn it even if I don't like it.
I agree. Math is a necessary skill for many jobs.
So, what do you want to do after you graduate?
I am not sure yet. I am thinking about becoming a teacher.
That's a great idea. You would be a great teacher.
Thanks. I think I would enjoy helping other people learn.
I am sure you would. You are a natural teacher. If you really want to improve your English, if you really want to speak in English, so you can follow this channel. We will upload that type of video every single day. Please support me. Please subscribe and press on the bell icon. Like, comment, and share.